Good morning, friends. I'm Dr. Achal Agrawal, Senior Laparoscopic GI and Bariatric Surgeon from Indore. Today, I would be telling you about bariatric surgery. There are many options available nowadays. Um, Telling easy weight loss methods and all those things. Those things are good, fine, when you do not need to lose more than 5 to 10 kgs. But when you have a need to lose more than 25 kgs, more than 30 kgs, more than 40 kgs, believe me, these procedures are not a long lasting procedures. And you may have majority patients do regain weight after some time, and the rebound increase in weight is more than the previous weight what they had. This is what the statistics says. Choosing a bariatric surgery, patients are little scared about the surgical aspects. They feel there are a lot of it is a very big surgery, a lot of complications, mortality, morbidity, many things. But believe me, it is not so. With the advancement of technology, advancement in the camera systems, gadgets, hemostatic agents, the best staplers available nowadays, triple head staplers, and all those things, complications have reduced significantly. And normally we do not see any complications nowadays, hardly we see any. And the percentage of complications is more or less same as in other surgeries which are routinely done and acceptable, like in hernia, gallbladders, or even in simple cesarean section for pregnancy. So one thing we should understand, वजन ज़्यादा है तो we are carrying more risk than opting a bariatric surgery. Bariatric surgery change your life. You lose weight, you you overcome your diabetes, your blood pressure, your joint pains, your sleep apnea, and you live a very good healthy life. Right? It's a rebirth. It's a rebirth. Adopt a new lifestyle. Be pro for bariatric surgery. If you have to lose weight more than 25-30 kgs, choose bariatric surgery. See, uh, obesity is a cluster of diseases. It leads to metabolic syndrome, and it affects your heart, your kidneys, your livers. It is predisposing factors for many cancers in the body. So we do not want to uh, fall into the trap of all these major diseases. So if you have all these any of these diseases, then also choose bariatric so that you can fight over those diseases. Diabetes is recovered like anything. It is also called as metabolic surgery. So do not have a fear for bariatric surgery. It is as simple and as easy as any other GI surgery. Early discharge in just to post op second day. Patient is discharged. Patient is ambulated 6 hours after the surgery. Patient started orals after some times of the after a few hours of the surgery. So do not have a fear. All these notions what you have for bariatric surgery, you are free. You are free to talk to me or my team and clear out your confusions. Choose bariatric. Be healthy. All the best.